Evening. Welcome to our virtual open house for the College and Career Center. I'm Sue Fox, College and Career Coordinator.
And I'm Stacy Enslin, Career and Job Placement Specialist. We are here to help support your students with their post-secondary plans by providing support, resources, and opportunities.
The College and Career Center is here to help your student with post-secondary planning. This includes assistance with college applications, financial aid, career exploration, goal setting, Naviance, and ACT/SAT support. Students are able to schedule an appointment Monday through Friday from 8 to 11:30 a.m. during asynchronous learning. To schedule an appointment, simply follow the link, choose 15-minute blocks, and if you need more time, you may request 2 back-to-back appointments. Complete the Google form that's included in the Calendly link, and then a Zoom invite will be mailed to you for your confirmation. Also, look for announcements regarding virtual drop-in hours at the end of September.
Career and Job Placement, offering assistance in job search, applications, interviews, and placement. Feel free to contact me to set up an appointment to discuss opportunities in our workforce. Opportunities for career development. Career Cluster Zoom meetings. Monthly Zoom meetings will be held with interactive presentations of career professionals sharing information related to their specific career fields. Look for upcoming information on Career Cluster Zoom meetings that will be posted on Schoology. Our first Career Cluster meeting will begin in October. Specific dates and times will be announced on Schoology. We also offer job and apprenticeship opportunities that will be posted on Schoology.
I'm excited this year to announce Lauren Waite will be our ISAC Corps member, providing assistance with FAFSA and the alternative application for state financial aid. She will have virtual office hours for families Tuesdays and Wednesdays from 8 to 11:30 a.m. I will be posting information on Schoology regarding how to make an appointment with Lauren. She is a 2016 West Mora grad and employed by ISAC and the state of Illinois. Naviance. Naviance is a great tool used by all students, freshmen through seniors, for career planning, college planning, and success planning. Various tasks will be assigned to your student, either from me, their counselor, or teacher throughout the school year. How to log into Naviance? As I said, every student has an account. Here is a screencast to show you and your student how to log into Naviance. Virtual college visits. Virtual college visits will be Monday through Friday from 8 o'clock to 4 at the top of each hour. They'll run approximately 45 minutes. So far, we have approximately 38 schools registered for these rep visits. Be assured that colleges are interested in talking with your student. You would register through Naviance if you would like to attend these college visits. Links will be provided to the students 15 minutes before the counselor begins. If you are interested in signing up for a virtual rep visit or simply to see who will be coming to our school, you may click on this link with a screencast of how to register for these virtual rep visits. Document Resources is located in Naviance. It is filled with folders for each grade level with a variety of resources to help your student with college and career readiness planning. This is a screencast to show you how to access the Document Resource folder. Virtual College Exploration Fair. I'm excited to announce that there will be an Illinois statewide virtual college exploration program. It is sponsored through Illinois ACAC and StriveScan. It will be 6 weeks, September 15th through October 22nd, and is free and open to all students, parents, and counselors in Illinois. Choose from a wide variety of panel and institution-specific presentations. There will be 283 sessions, colleges from 44 states and 13 countries. Please click on the link for more information and to register for sessions for this great event. As mentioned earlier, Lauren, our ISAC core member, will be presenting various presentations pertaining to financial aid during the school year. Our first one will be held on September 16th at 6 o'clock, Financial Aid Overview. Have all your questions answered by Lauren and also Martha Gutierrez. There will be 2 sessions, one in English and one in Spanish, both starting at 6 o'clock p.m. It will run for approximately 45 minutes with 15 minutes at the end for questions. A Zoom link will be shared on Schoology and via email. The Give Something Back Scholarship for freshman students. This is an amazing opportunity for your student if they are a freshman and meet the program requirements. They apply in 9th grade, qualify for need-based Pell Grants, maintain good grades, demonstrate upstanding character, and participate in the mandatory Give Back programs. There will be an informational meeting on October 15th at 7:30 via Zoom. Look for more information pertaining to this amazing opportunity. To date, 42 of our students, West Aurora students, have received this full ride scholarship. The full ride scholarship will be given to students, and they will have their choice of colleges to attend: Illinois State University, University of Illinois, Blackburn College, and Lewis University. Again, informational meeting on October 15th at 7:30. Questions, please email me.
And on behalf of Mrs. Fowler and myself, we want to thank you, and we are looking forward to a wonderful year.